lovely place. Oh, my home is a Finland. 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 He's not the only one you will see without a family to go to. There have been cases like this before. Now I'm counting every day. They could not do a proper burial because of the war there. Walking down the valley, she looked around and trying not to judge, he says. Ocha sena sanara Moses to lead us out of base.
Good evening, fellow people them for Southern Cameroon, fellow Ambazonian. Welcome once more for another episode of the No Connie Talk Show. Now me, Capo Daniel, Sense Pasking, Lukong Ambazonian FBI around come again once more for present una a very big development and a groundbreaking development we did for Ground Zero. The ADF it done finished the first phase for test and for share the technology for making bombs and for defend our homeland and for fight La Republique du Cameroon. It had become close to 1 year now where the Cameroon military they introduced for Ambazonia the armored car them with the French government it began for them. Una know say would then be the focus for Ground Zero, the focus for find solution them for our liberation movement. And I want to congratulate the Ambazonian Defense Forces, General Efang. They don't take time for study together with some two diasporan technicians the way they come for the can help our people them. La Republic be done try for track them down. They be done fail. And I'll be happy for tell now today say the mission it done be complete all across our national territory. We don't share the technology for the input for the bombs them on the CM where they go down for Ground Zero. It don't be something where it don't be whole top secret for inside the ADF. Now one of the mission that way General Efang if he did it when if he go for Bui and when I see some of the bombs and material them for the some of the trigger mechanism them I go show now some of the pictures them and video for the test of the bombs as well as the test of the trigger mechanism. When I see how the bomb will be very effective for inside Bamenda I can tell when I say we don't finish the first phase, we don't test the bombs them they work very very well. And La Republique du Cameroon introduced new armored car them. The poorly made Chinese armored car the would see them. It shows say we will easily target them and we will easily neutralize them. It will help we to protect our sovereignty and to protect our people them for the attacks and terrorism from the state of Cameroon. All man be welcome. We'll get plenty things that will go inside there. Today, we know say now a hot topic where they come. I would answer Seko, La Republique du Cameroon, they don't blink. They don't finally talk with the people the way they consider them like terrorists. We will talk a little bit about that and for tell una the mention about the speech way the acting interim president for the IG group Yerima Idan talk. We will also talk through some small light for the debate way they go on between the PS of the Ambazonian Governing Council, Mr. Lucas Asu, and the insult them also from Mark Barata and Tap and Eric Tato. We will mention them as soon as know this one at the No Connie Talk Show. We need to twist things them, we provide things them as a be day. So would I be very happy for presenting for this issue them that things the way that already happened and we go forward. We will get inside big investment then for this material then for make sure so we could be self-sufficient to provide our soldier them the weapon the way they need them for fight for their liberation, the bombs the way they need them, the gun. We'll be very happy also for announce today. We will announce on the name for the gun way it be homemade by Ambazonia. When I know say AK-47 na German na Russian name. So the Ambazonian bomb it gets its own name. Okay, I will send some screenshot also. I will share some screenshot about the bribe way La Republique du Cameroon. They don't try to offer me bribe as well for help to support the so-called ceasefire. Ma download this thing for here. I will show the screenshot as well with the La Republique agent. We contact me also. The man it don't prove say being actually Cameroon agent. Show picture them for their documents them. Now hold on. Sorry, say that work plenty in a time day. So sometimes and they will prepare the show them when the show they go on. So I put the picture of place so you could do it. I will show now also the pictures for the money where the Cameroon government is offer and for me, say my support ceasefire and reconstruction. They offer me 200 million CFR for support them and for sell Ambazonia. I don't know how many people did I receive that money, but now they offer that way did I make it for me. I go send on the screenshot and for tell on say we the Ambazonia Defense Forces them and our allies them and the people of Ambazonia where they don't rise up will not rise up now because of money, will rise up now because of the injustice we did for Southern Cameroon and the system we do with La Republic where a system for a colonize and a capture people the way not be acceptable. We'll be in the vanguard, we'll be in the new generation, and we go liberate our country. Our plan, our roadmap, it be strong, it be attainable, and we'll move forward with our roadmap. We'll get the takeover mission where they come on. All Ambazonia they will need to do on our own part for make sure so we donate massively. Dr. Chua Yaba for our war cancer will then decide for double the resources we will put them for inside our forces them and our capability for meet up that goal will then be set up for us by the commander-in-chief and Benedict Kwa. It will also be dependent on our support for that system and our belief for that system. And we believe say up to now we don't give 100% support for the TTOF fund and we hope say we go double on effort. So as usual, before we start our show, we'll start with our national anthem and then we'll go play one song for Welcome Oman and then we'll go straight for the show. And I will bring one of those videos them as well as the screenshot them for the bribe way La Republique they don't try for bribe una own countryman. So first we will start with national anthem. I will play them from my phone so no video no go there for place una day. When I stand at the lap.
Hail his land of glory. We the Ambazonians pledge our loyalty. Praises to our Savior who granted us our freedom. A legend to the hero who bought his land with their blood. From glory to glory we rise never to fall. Hearing a nation flowing with milk and honey. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live with plenty meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live with plenty meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation.
So yes, that is it, my fellow Ambazonian, my fellow country people them, for home and abroad. I salute una and I welcome una once more for the No Connie Talk show. This one na an advocative platform where they advocate for things and way if we help push our Ambazonian struggle, make it go for before. Na me, Comrade Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, Lukong, Ambazonian FBI, I don't come again today for una for present una another episode. for the No Connie Talk show. We go take una get inside the revolution. I go show una the Cameroon bribe with that offer, and for me 200 million CFR, and I no be for sell. I no go ever sell. Una knows very well my background for place where I come out. I've been a survivor from Legnios. They don't try to kill our people there for Legnios. They be destroy my whole village, and I will never ever sell my soul. We've been a selfless people. Them more than help our country as citizen volunteer them. Since this struggle, it can't drag we may go enter for inside day. So they fear now for self and for make sure say our country will get an opportunity to be a free country, so that there will be never a generation in our country where they will be forced for travel abroad, for go for exile again, the way our generation be go. The one that the never again generation will go fight for make sure say make our country be free, come rain, come sun. Now an ordained struggle, now the right time this for we for fight, now an answered prayer, and we will win, and we shall prevail over La Republic du Cameroon. I can assure you that. A day in the middle of the storm, we see all the diplomatic cable them, both from home, diplomatic corps, and from the international community and the international system. And I feel assure una, so we don't reach milestones them for our diplomatic progress. Ambazonia independence is now closer more than ever before. We are winning fatly, and we win very bigly. I will also address the issue for Eric Tato, Mark Barata, and all those things the way plenty people they inquire. I will also talk about the issue there for Ground Zero Defense Council. I will bring una also the video them for our big presentation for today. Way now the resort, the test for the trigger mechanism when they see them across Ambazonia and the bombs them. Una also will be a people them for solution. We then provide solution for the armored car, and we will need to double our effort for sponsor this project, to make sure we will get enough bombs them. It can be tested, we don't get enough scientists them, enough people that will then train them across Ambazonia, including ADF fighters and non-ADF fighters, where they produce them by their own. We will just need none of a sponsor, and most of the bombs we want to see them, we don't produce them for home, we produce everything. Some other things then they will produce them now for home way, it still be classified, but this one the one get for una, the one the way that be declassified, we say una be involved in a collective struggle and deserve for Noam. So I then discovered some new Ambazonian musician. the guy did for Ground Zero. I see him for YouTube. I go play nice song today where I go use them for Welcome All Man for us, and then we will go directly to our presentation. The guy named Placide Dubé. Placide Dubé, so I will play this song, and a very nice song. Now boy for Ground Zero, the guy get hard under this system. For colonialism, the boy don't play music, so we go play the song while I go salute all my way there for house. So now welcome Samson Gideon. Welcome. All man be welcome. Now welcome for house today. And Dingoke Neville, welcome for house. Faith Wisdom, welcome for house. Yupa Dina, welcome. Quinta Luma, there. From Amba Activist, welcome for house. Look for my producer and device. I think Steve Prince Baye, welcome. And Itie Henry, welcome. Pan-Africanist, welcome. Wayne, welcome. And everybody. Grandma Salim, welcome for house.
You've got to hold your fire now, for the pain is too much to bear. Hold your fire now.
All man be welcome for house today. I want to take time for Sabuna. Rudolph, welcome. Because when I will put my presentation, I will get that for all man. My own brother Monono, welcome for house. Asongwe, welcome. Martin Monono, welcome. You want some powerful musician way for Ground Zero. Placide Dubé, a very good artist. I think say I discovered the guy for YouTube. I don't have a steady message. I don't know whether they take message for YouTube Ground Zero. But now people in this will need to support them financially to make sure to be the talent. For them to sing about our plight, no easy. So now check it out in name na Placide Dubé. Umaro Shaku, welcome. Paul Ayuk, welcome. Grandmas, welcome. And all man, welcome. I want to salute our General the Ground Zero, General Sumambu, General Kuku, General Eva. As well, I salute Baye for staff, I salute una all, and all our forces. They were never named them. Man, as small picking, I salute una all. I see Elizabeth de for house, Christopher de for house, all man in de for house today. Today, I think for Ambazonia now about 8 o'clock for evening, almost the same time for Europe. Florence Wiking, so I see people they want never see them for a long time. I salute una all, una come good. We get plenty very hot potatoes things them today to present them, and we will make sure so we will present them very very fast. So maybe I know we finish this song. I want also salute people that for Ground Zero where they go wash we Brohida. I salute you your place today. Aluta continue your place today. All now wanna place them day. I salute all man and our IDP them to make sure say una day for our heart. All our POWs them una day for our heart. Benji, I salute una all. Seseko Ayokta, B Pen Terence, Mancho BBC. All man way day for inside prison for Bamenda, for Buddha, for Bafosam. I salute una the one the way they never place the whole no. We salute una all una be oppressed. I want to take this moment for salute una and our people the way they for Yaoundé, for diaspora for Yaoundé. Also, I want to take this moment as salute una all the various organizations the way they support our movement and way they support this platform as well. I want to take time for salute them. My advisor them Dinka, John, I salute you. Our senior advisor also for the CIC where they also advise this platform. I salute them and all the big people them for Southern Cameroon. Our frontline leader, the way they always be engaged. I salute una one of the proof that the people them be clean. Any man way they communicate with Capo Daniel, them una know say that man he life he be straight. The man way nobody nobody twist because una know I been a no nonsense man. I present my things them fresh, bold and unafraid. So any man way he want chop bribe or he get plan for the future for chop bribe, he must be afraid of me because I will bring it, I will hold it for a canas. I salute Florence, Biko Khan, Biko Khan, me and Biko. Now only me and I see Biko Khan in the picture. The man that called me for video call is a very responsible man, and I want for salute he do a marvelous job, even though he be anonymous like most of our people. Them way. They need to keep their identity because of the insecurity them from La Republic. We respect that. John Leke, welcome. Chipcha, Florence, Wakins, welcome. So that is the moment for me to salute all man. But I will still keep my eye for the comment section. So if una keep comment for they una make up a way if it be short and I feel easily read them for be for make sure say I fit follow track and for comment on which one I want my phone number to will be open to receive phone calls them. I want to appoint Biko Khan and also Brohida and many of the people the way they don't be very and Lum Quinta as well. Any person wanna discover and for wanna feel monitor the comment section if wanna see La Republic their agent for the wanna just write the name. Wanna just say write the name for the person, write delete or block, and then I go block the person. Wanna know we're not supposed to allow any infiltrator the medium start instigate bring diversion tactics for our platform. So we'll go directly for our presentation for today. We'll get a lot of rich presentation there for Gianfona. We will start from inside La Republic for sure now the kind country where they can colonize with this type of people the way they want can rule over we. And maybe we understand say I must take exception for Salud Mama Ate. Irene Ate na a woman of dignity, a powerful example of successful Ambazonian they for abroad. Where they never just turn their back for their people, then but they support Ambazonia for all corner. We salute una all. Mercy Kwa welcome and great support welcome. I salute all una place them today. So today we want talk say we get news where it happened for inside BMA. Say La Republic to Cameroon that move 4 people there for inside the great state of Bui for their house them, then kill them for cold blood. Why did they see make the charade? Say they want go for dialogue. For inside prison and for do reconstruction. This one a big hypocrisy. La Republic, their operation them for Ambazonia, it go on without stop. They try to increase more outposts than for stretch their reach into the hinterlands of Ambazonia, and we need to be aware of this. We will come back for that, but we will start today for La Republic for sure now. the type of useless country where the one come say the one come control we Ambazonia them for rule we. This one a video it show now La République du Cameroon. Una see water for La République. Una see now water that's for pump. I grow up for inside Bamenda. We water be almost free. We get public tap the way na free. But water be clean, unpolluted. Unpolluted. Una see La République, they no first get clean water for their country. But yet they still talk say they want can control Ambazonia. They still make fake promises them. Say they will come build, rebuild Ambazonia, reconstruct Ambazonia. Reconstruct wait. How many times did that make promises say they will reconstruct Bamenda Buda Road? They don't reconstruct them. Would I hear now say that they want move university for Bamenda, carry them go Tanana for Douala and for Boya and for Yaoundé. For sure, now say these people them, they no first be capable for help themselves. How more of we black on black colonization will not fit allow for live with this type of people the way they not fit even manage a common water do one for their capital. Now for Yaoundé that. So now these people they go can't take them for rebuild Ambazonia. No, we not believe they no fit reconstruct Ambazonia or na propaganda or na lies them. We see how way their capital they crumble, the insecurity them for their capital. We know there for them. We see how they be afraid for bomb. The Rasta begin search motor the way they enter for their colonial capital for Yaoundé. Na video then this na picture and this way they come up for ground zero. It come it show we how they search every single vehicle way they enter for Yaoundé, both from Ambazonia and from Douala, because that country it crumble. Na a time bomb will not feel wait or will not even think. So then get up to 2 years for be a stable country. They infighting for that country. It can't too much. La République du Cameroon, they can't finish. We no day for them. So maybe we understand say this country, it can't finish. We also see video them where they come up from China. When I remember they infiltrated them for this struggle as the ADF and the AGOVC, they then study, they fire them and the evidence they will get them. For sure say Samuel Ekome Sako and Chris Anu, they work for La République du Cameroon, they don't chop money. Every day more and more evidence they come out. We don't see they don't start begin make pretense they collect money for draft. And now we see how they don't come now begin to use now fake video them for China. One unfortunately for now, when I know how God they always make it thing, I actually know the boy where he do this fake video for them. That's some boy for China where they coin and they na scammer. Now he be the person where the worker say Ambazonian flag them. If they for make money, they say Ambazonian flag them for over for Ambazonia, then they sell them for Sako them for all places where they go. Now they make that hair scalp them and all those things them. Their job they never say things them for this struggle for make money and their own interest that way they for this struggle for make money. So they fear say their own people Sako go fall and they're not going to make money for justify the draft and for show the people they say they don't make they don't take that money for buy weapon them. This boy he go stage video will recognize his voice for the video. It show toy guns for China. Say na money na weapon and that way they don't buy them using the war draft. So na a scam. I play the video for the fake guns the way they show them. Look like I never put that gun for the on the video this. Maybe gonna see exactly which way they call and say war draft. Una yeah boys.
Holy water day, one no go tire. Holy water day.
So now the fake gun then this way they
Holy
promise
water
up una go
day,
down
we
zero.
no go tire.
Una go
Holy
risk una
water
life.
day.
Some Ambazonian
Water
forces
na
they go
water.
see and feel say gun they don't come for ground zero. They go start begin send their picking. They say me then go guide and say they want go follow Sako. Say Sako go give them gun. Na government they don't raise this amount of money. But we know say they never raise any amount of money. La République will only give them money where they go take and go chop them and provide them intelligence. Me then go kill those same boys. They will be seeing for the year 2018. Now the job that na agents for La République they use business people then like this one this day where they for China for make their money and they can't deceive people them for try for raise money for collect money. So one day they give them false promises. So they will give them appointment for here for there. And the sad other thing we want remind we for this our revolution now the situation for our refugee them where they for Nigeria. Another video they come out online in the show where the dances or another Pekin for Nigeria where they broke concrete. Pekin very young age, very young Pekin. Now the video this for Ambazonia Pekin where they for Nigeria it broke concrete. No the one at the old video Ma put the video for the new video where don't come out. Another small picking where look less than a picking where they around less than 7 years old for inside Nigeria. They did for broke concrete for help their papa them, help their mommy them, say me them chop. It is show now the gravity for this problem all day. Why some people
See
they
what he's
take
doing.
money
He told me he can't sit back at home
and
watching
the picking
his
is
friends working money.
terrible.
Why he just
Very,
eats.
very terrible
So,
situation.
yeah, with a painful hand.
Me as a
But
father,
he's
when I
happy
watch this
that
type of
he
things, so it broke my heart.
what he is doing.
Picking for the age not supposed to dey provide for a family. Why picking like this is suffer? Then one me who can drag this picking them carry and go to for Amazonia. Who go there for that very condition under colonialism. Where they don't carry all job them go to for Yaoundé.
See what he's doing.
Me the picking them go there for the
Told
which
me
type of
he can't
future?
sit back at home watching
Which type
his
of
friends.
future? We no fit sell this revolution. We no fit allow for go back for that same state of colonization. And under if we surrender, we lose this war, our situation will be worse than what it will be before. When I hear say that I move CDC capital administrative head for CDC carry and go to for inside Yaoundé. They remove university for Bamenda. Just imagine what way the people that go do and for we if we no win this struggle. We must make sure say no matter what it happen, make we fight this struggle until we win this revolution. We no go stop am. So the image them be so graphic. I know if show now the images them images that come up from the great state of Bui, where they show how La Republic that move 5 people them for their house, then go execute them for cold blood. Our people they need to come together with the call on all the boys and for inside Bui to come together, then form vigilante group them for protect our own people them. And one also uses opportunity for talk about the thing will happen for Bamenda because we get more and more information the way they come. Our expert them they talk about the mistake the way our people they make up for ground zero. Who saw that video they for Bamenda they might show them. I need to see the video, but I not go play the video, but I go see pass the same information because it be very important. Make una know, say when we contact the international community, our international partners, whether not through the OMPO or not directly through the State Department or the Humanitarian Office of the Ambazonia Governing Council, when we reach out for the international community, for the various institutions, the way they deal with human rights, and we talk about how La Republic, their army, they kill our people, the terrorism will provide them evidence, and it will be very difficult for we. Now, wait till it pass one for ground zero for take picture for that army them, where they kill our people them. The case for the one who for Bamenda where they kill some Ben Sikin person. For inside Commission Avenue, we no fit get person if he take picture for that army man, we go see face. If you even take picture for a galon or for a name, now through that their positive identification, the way we go fit help for make sure say me justice it be. When I remember saying a one for all for one. It be very easy for take picture. If you don't take your phone like this, if you get a phone, your phone like this, you just put the phone for timer. You don't make them for your ELS so you don't receive call, or you do for video mode, you press and in video record, you just pass your hand. Plenty style and the way people they fit take and for take video, for take picture, so that may we identify the person where kill our people then. They no fit allow me they can begin kill our people then with impunity. We know they get them any picture or any video. Any place where La Republic to Cameroon their military vehicle pass, when I take the number plate for that motor, when I see for America, the people the way they be committed genocide for Rwanda, they see what can catch them till today. We go make sure say any military man will go specifically catch that same people the way they commit those various crime them. Will be important. Say anytime we wanna see La Republic du Cameroon their motor, it pass for some place. We wanna register the time and the date. We wanna take the picture for the number plate. We wanna send them for we, and we will keep them. We no go announce them. We no go use them for social media. We will preserve them as evidence for their movement them and the specific unit them where they be involved and the type of weapon the way they be involved. So the beg all man for ground zero. Make gonna do this one for we. We will also want for salute the bravery from one of our comrades where he done die for South Africa. I no get that boy a picture with me for here, but when see another boy will be provide security for CIC when you go for South Africa, for Seseko as well for Yerima, all of them. Now them, now he be provide them. In name he use the fake name for WhatsApp. They call him Colonel Braddock. Now a strong ADF member. When I see the ADF, then get a lot of volunteer them where they stand for Ambazonia. No matter which side we belong, all we will treat all now like equal. ADF they provide security for abroad and also for home for all of our leader them. May the soul for Colonel Braddock, may rest in peace. He gave very powerful audio them. I used to work with hand in hand. Unfortunately, I know be actually know say that boy be the Colonel Braddock way they for social media for WhatsApp. But me I be the collaborate for plenty things and for discuss them and for brainstorm about how to help our forces them. If we be a strong ADF member, may so rest in peace. Next time we will put up a picture of them. Sorry, say I not get enough time for put them. So as we talk, La Republique only yesterday for 14 of this month for July for Kijimkeku, they ran burn over 20 houses them. For inside Kijimkeku, they are burning of our villages them. They go on while they pretend say they want to negotiate with La Republique du Cameroon. The people them for Kijimkeku, they talk say na B them, they wear B uniform them when they come burn those houses them. And we see back our people then say me then try always to take picture them. Even you see them they pass inside their convoy. When I take picture them for their motor them, when I show we their plate number them, so that we go fit identify them for the international community. We make sure say they go hold all them, bring them all for justice where they come for kill our people them for day. So all I do is win. You dey live, you dey live. Are they live online now? So okay. So we go continue for our presentation. We'll get a lot of things then before I go bring one of the video then for the Amazonian Defense Forces, the bombs them and the trigger mechanism, the way we run test them, it work and we run share them across Amazonia. From the issue for this be the way they run burn house them for Kijimkeku, we call on people then for take their picture them for send up for we. No be only for can cry when they run kill our people them, but for record this atrocity them and for positively identify those people the way they carry perpetrate this action them for terrorism them for our territory, including the specific unit, the drivers them and those forces them will make sure say they no go escape justice. We also say for great support as we talk also today for great support La Republique du Cameroon they don't come up for day in their thousands them. They go for house to house for great support. They broke door them. They enter for day. They seize people their money, seize their valuable things them, and they collect people their mobile phones them go and for go sell them. These people then are armed robber them. So we call on the people that for great support. Me then try for go for gather themselves for begin warn themselves when they see Cameroon army they come me they run enter for bush because now people the way they come for can terrorize them for rape our women them and our picking them. We make sure say we will protect ourselves for them. We don't see say the new mayor way don't come to for Boya. He don't begin follow the footstep them for Patrick Ekema. As we know very well now, this he go around town for Boya, they lock shop them, they threaten our people the way they want to exercise their free will for their right for expression, for express their political will for talk say they want na independence for Amazonia. Now the mayor this we know say na relative for Peter Mafani Musonge. Now why that way La Republique don't can impose an imposed mayor for inside Boya de for inside Mamfede in name na David Mafani, na the new mayor that way dey for day would want talk say any person where if you get information where you go lead with for arrest me send for we and make any person where they will be able for do something for ye for make sure say we go stop this intimidation and terrorism where they terrorize our people them contact we and we will try for advice on how to do arrest and then be issued against the Mafani brother where they terrorize our people them. He want follow the road for Ekema, we go make sure say he go end to like Patrick Ekema. So any man will get information where feel lead for the arrest of David Mafani when the new mayor way there for inside Manfredi, we will now contact we and we will see how we work together. We will call on a family member then too where then get problem with ye. Any man will fit do something for make sure say we will stop this canker worm where they might treat our people, they terrorize our people. It work out a kelebe them for terrorize our people then. Make una contact we and make una no hesitate for do am. Una need for stop these people them. Una only una fit do am. If not only you fit do am. If it is stay safe for your hotel, you fit do something for ye. For make and say me the thing way they terrorize our people them me stop. Make una no hesitate for do am. So we don't see La Republique du Cameroon na a comedy country. A comedy country indeed. We don't see many instances then where they deny for even employ the so-called Anglophones them. Me they can't even do translation work for them. They go still carry that work. Yeah, for Francophone the way they pretend for be the so-called Anglophone them. So it show and I say we no get no hope for this country La République, this comedy country La République. Maybe when I watch the video for a
Vous
doctor.
êtes parfaitement bilingue, c'est l'avantage qu'on a à vous avoir aujourd'hui.
Of course.
Doctor, okay. Alors, as a doctor, are you afraid today of coronavirus?
And I see comedy country. Now doctor, this is talk for English.
As a doctor, are you afraid?
Okay. So when doctor
Yes.
no be
No be.
so
So
when
now doctor this. They go take even francophone doctor. Me can't talk for anglophone them, the so-called anglophone them. If be supposed to talk na English where if they talk na Ambazonian language, the pidgin. But if be supposed they supposed to claim for the talk na the English. Now the one then this way they bring a me they can start work for Bamenda. I mean, would they call Bamenda hospital now for follow up for the Kelebe them where they don't neutralize and for fear. The doctor them for inside Bamenda hospital na francophone them. When I imagine that they talk na French inside Bamenda hospital. You know they not only for inside Victoria, it don't come for inside Bamenda. Now it is no be now maybe now
doctor
Yes.
doctor.
no be
You been a mumu. You been a mumu. So now the thing is way now the people that the one can colonize we. When I see one the way the one can colonize we. Now the people that now way the one can colonize we. We don't even yet to say Aya Abine, the humanitarian boy for Papa for Aya Paul Ipikin. They don't carry him again go time for inside that kangaroo. Who's the Aya Abine a picture or I put on for you need to see him again. They don't carry Aya Abine again go time for that Kundengi system for go intimidating using the judiciary. Now we need to hear say they still want bring that fake charges and we Nambere be bring Nambere and success Congo and Atanganji Port they be done team up to bring them against the Aya Abine. We wish he well and we hope say na me no go for inside prison. Na person that way the boy don't work so much for our suffering refugee them for Nigeria and the IDPs them. I be so happy. Then we be start the help one of this the Samsoya a woman. Now he can step up for take over to continue for help. Those now one of the things in that way I do have for background where a lot of people they don't know when I for go out for help our people the way they don't been a victim for this struggle where they don't catch and kill them in the name of Amber Boy. We do a lot of things for help. So we don't also here to say two people they don't kill two people then for inside Menchum just for inside Esu. Yesterday for Menchum Day, they ran key two people, them La Republic, them burned down a hospital, a community hospital for inside Menchum. They ran also burned down a lot of houses, them, then killed two innocent people, them for inside the great state of Menchum for Esu Day. And we talk for the people that for Menchum, them continue for governize themselves, for build a defensive structure the way it go be for them for help our people, them, for protect our people, them. La Republique du Cameroon, last time we be there when I said they prepare a number of people then for transit for take power over Mr. Paul Biya Bimvondo. We don't say one of the people the way they don't choose to say me be the next president for La République du Cameroon na as had the choir Achoe na David Aboim Achoe. He be then be former colonial governor for the Atlantic State and the Savannah State. La République du Cameroon they also pushy like somebody them facing as somebody way the so-called Anglophones them. Where Ambazonia they go feel accept them because a man where he know English very well, he know our people them very well. He be very love when he be governor for the Atlantic State and for the Savannah State. This colonial governor La République they pushy. Yesterday them putting me go give big interview for Jeune Afrique. Jeune Afrique when I know say na big company where the French Afrique they use them for propagate their narratives them. This time they will present he give an interview for inside Jeune Afrique. He begin the talk say La République du Cameroon they need to do some small concession them for Ambazonia. It shows say that they blink. It talks say they need to get goodwill, they need to be in realism, they need to bring some concession them, even though it say it be against the so-called secessionists, but it talks say La République then give some concession them. It shows say La République du Cameroon they acknowledge the injustice then way we would face them as a people and as a state. Watana Wata will continue to fight no matter who be the president for La République du Cameroon. Our right of self-determination, it can be established under international law and we go exert them unto our country go be free from any alien force and any alien occupation. So we don't also see say the problem for Ndop. It is see also increase. Last time I be tell una say the SDO for Ndop, the so-called colonial mayor for Ndop. I'll find a picture. I never get enough time. Mayor Dan Tankala Ndan. Now the mayor way La République that impose them on the people that for Ndop. They then became connive with La République du Cameroon. They be that infiltrate our forces them for day, the Ambazonian forces them for day. They be even the send them, name them for people the same. The SDO, when I imagine, say the commandant for day and the SDO, they the same name them for people them for the Amber boy them for they meet them, go catch them, go harass them. They be even they allow them meet them control some roadblock them for day before thing they do one catch Chakara. Now the conflict don't start be within themselves, they don't start kiki each other. Now a sad situation that for Ndop. We they try for work with it, already the work with some few of the boy them for day for make sure say if we bring them discipline, if we bring them correct political education, make them be well organized to protect the integrity of the fighting for instant Ndop, for fight against La République du Cameroon, make them not manipulate them, use them against our own people them. It be like many of the cases them around our territory, how people they move forces them under our hand, they go enough for put them away, they turn back, begin damage now our own very people them. So we see for La République du Cameroon, video they come out for La République where they show how degrading that country can be, despite the fact that they don't thief money for Ambazonia, go put them for invest them for their own country. When I see even roadway they go from their country from Douala Yaoundé for this video.
La route nationale numéro 5
people then this way they talk say the one can reconstruct
le fameux
Ambazonia.
triangle de la mort au Cameroun.
People they die for their road them every day.
Le nombre de morts par an
Now,
sur
their
cet
biggest
axe
road
se
is-
chiffre en centaines.
See,
Les
only how
usagers
they show this thing today
décrivent le mauvais état de la route
in
jonchée
front of
de
the
nids de
journalists
poules.
them accident come out.
Pour notre reportage
On a see them.
qui envahissent, il s'agit là d'un dépassement irrégulier mis en marche que le premier accident se produit sous nos
On a see them. In front of journalists them. In front of journalists. Accident then come out for day. Now the people in this one una fit believe say they go can reconstruct Ambazonia. Where for their own country they no get road. It be so predictable. Me as an engineer, anytime we accident come out, we can reassess them, try for readjust the way things and this so that make the country be fine. People that they die for that country in their thousands every single day because of bad road. They no fit do anything. Now their road that na Douala Yaoundé that. How many million them where they don't announce and say they don't use them for build that road. But the same thing they still happen every day. When I feel say na people in this way fit stay with them, na people in this way they can develop our country. Things the people that take over our country, all road they run Chakara, even what caterpillar them way will be get them before where they walk day and night for begin tar road them. I be they grow up like small pikin. Before dry season the one finish, caterpillar they can pass for inside a quarter them all for my 4, my 3, go around the whole capital city for Bamenda for fix road them before rainy season one come. Now they will not even get caterpillar them again. They run sell and all carry and all go down. These people them now a virus country them will not feel live together with them. So I go for the things the way they go on now for inside our struggle, the amber to amber section. I go talk about the fight them with the Siam where it be instigated by Mark Barata, and I go try to talk a little bit about them. We don't see say Mark Barata he don't make some very strong posts for react for the analysis where the PS of the Ambazonia Governing Council, Mr. Lucas Asu, he don't make them, he don't begin push our refugee them, they push even La République du Cameroon, some of their agents that don't be involved to instigate the people them against the ADF and against our frontline communicator for try to tag we as being the problem for inside Ambazonia. We know say sometimes them Tapang Ivor they be very vocal in the presentation them, but all man understands in a character that and the way that way it always presents itself to defend Tapang Ivor. Tapang Ivor he himself that always talks say he do propaganda. So any man where they watch Tapang Ivor show, he watch them they know say sometimes then the way Tapang Ivor he do propaganda and na a very style way they do am for advance the cause and it be effective for your own way. The analysis for Mr. Lucas Asu, the PS, it always be on point. Na man way it stay on the content. So after either analyze the issue, then we surround the encounter between our interim president Siseko Ayuk Tabi and a big figure for our struggle, he analyzed those encounter with La Republique du Cameroon as any responsible activist go do am. Mark Barata he go for start attack Mr. Lucas Asu. He make a publication. He talk say Lucas Asu na an apprentice activist. I think say this one na a very big insult for all of our intelligence. We know say Lucas Asu na a professional coach, na man wey he coach millionaire them for inside Canada. Na it be a very big honor for Ambazonia for get somebody like that way they serve we. Now Mark Barata na person wey they call himself say be na the father of all Ambazonian activists them. That one also it show how childish he be and how intellectually childish he be. When I know very well say John Godi Dinka na an activist. Mark Barata na activist as well. I be na activist. You get John Bakoro na an activist. Even Ni John Frundi na an activist. Akwanga then na activist. Bohebe then all then are activists. So if somebody where he dey like my small brother, because I pass Mark Barata for age, Mark Barata is like a small brother to me. If somebody like him is considering himself as a father of activists, that is an insult to intellectual soundness. So he should humble himself and understand that when people challenge you intellectually, you have to defend yourself. Don't insult people. Because when you insult one person, the person also get the right for back and back. Then they create this atmosphere where they be toxic and then they want try for blame them. As soon as I know they go always target Capo Daniel because I be very effective. Now me alone I don't stand so like a gatekeeper for defend Dr. Cho Ayaba when a God chosen person for liberate we. Now me I stand alone for destroy all the trick will La Republic then try for bring them to somewhere a Sako. Now me I don't take all the hit and the bullet them for the sake for Ambazonia and I be that the main target where no matter which way they do them, they want come for me and for move me for road for meet up Ayabacho, for move Ayabacho for road and then destroy Ambazonia. So the before Mark Barata it want make a reply a go write on long notes them also put my name there Capo Daniel nobody even come online for almost 1 week. We advise Mark Barata say make it be very intellectual. We also see even Eugene Ufoka he then make a very strong analysis regarding the activism for Mark Barata where it be a legitimate issue, not because I need to caution no person. I be a messianic Jew, I believe in Jesus Christ, and my value system, even apart from this thing, it need to permit me for insult people. If I insult somebody, then I say that man it be beyond redeemable. So I play even the video for Mr. Eugene Ufoka when an independent person where he should make analysis about the same Mark Barata. So it not be a personal thing between Lucas and Asu. We just mainly do our job as activists.
The government, the willfulness and the Cameroon government and French went behind in prison to continue to talk with Cameroon government to a greater extent. But Mark Barata, for example, historically, he was the first person to come out and endorse the creation of a government.
So now Mr. Eugene Ufoka this way now an independent person. He too they give an analysis about the impact, the negative impact where Mr. Mark Barata he don't get for our Ambazonian revolution. Now a legitimate thing for do am. The right thing for Mark Barata for do am if you really be clean, no before start begin cosh people them. They go beg people them they can begin talk for we, beg people them then go begin attack the frontline communicator them. But now for Mark Barata for act like man way he get canas reasonably for defend himself and defend a points of view. So we no want these crybabies, we no want all this unnecessary insult. You know the help no man, you know the advance our cause and our people. They know, frankly speaking, they don't like them. Even though somehow they like them because of entertainment, people start becoming cautious for you and I go see how people they go reach 500 or maybe 1,000 people they go watch me. But when I know say at the end of the day, all those things and they didn't carry we go anywhere. Even when you get all those plenty people that they watch you, the people that need even help for do anything in La Republic, they go can add the francophone, they go can add there for see how they ridicule ourselves. So we always try to remain steadfast and remain on content. I go want remind Mark Barata say he no be the godfather for activists. If he consider himself, I be don't talk for you, he tell me say na some man be talk for you, some person be tell you say na he be godfather. So he too don't carry him, but he hate say he be godfather. Na he be godfather. Mark Barata na he be godfather for activists. So you be godfather for Godi Dinka. You be godfather for Ayabacho. Oh, Massa when I left that talk. We know say they be appointee as the interim president leadership for the consortium where they be do a marvelous job for rally our people. Nobody know if ever take away that one from Mark Barata, but me Mark Barata know say in terms of the input for this struggle, it can be a big disaster. From the beginning, as Eugene Ufoka talk, Mark Barata na person way if Ambazonia then begin to listen for Mark Barata, this struggle for them finish long time ago. For them go back for La Republic. If we be the follow only Mark Barata, they for them destroy this struggle for finish long time ago. When I remember say the issue concerning the government, now he be carry and begin the advocate. He, despite the fact say people they begin objection, me I be one of the people that will be form the government. But when I become outside, I see the people that they complain, I reason them out, I see them be right. And I turn my back and I start fight for fix them. Now Mark Barata begin to force the issue of the LGA and the county by county issue them, like say na a reality. Now they be the mislead our people them. This upside down theory them, where not only La Republic they are infiltrator, they be inject them for help scatter we. Local government by local government, they copy and paste from Nigeria to Cameroon to Ambazonia. When our star, our flag be adopt as Kakuf, the 13 star them will represent the 13 states them. When I go one can turn upside down for begin make a made the international community to look with like people the way they don't know it the way they do them. So Mark Barata ran be a big disaster in terms of his activism. Major remain for begin reporting news. Now my way that always they try to maintain as higher poor be done be that analyze them. Now my way it just be interested for keep a positive ratings them very high. Whatever reason, whether na financial reason or not, I don't know. But you get people that like Atta Milan where they don't call in a paid activist. You get people there they don't make allegation about Imoniwe. People they be supporting whether na wrongfully so or rightfully so for send bulk messages them if they do them at a pay or at a compensation. We will also see say even during the time of Araki, that way the one key Araki, Mark Barata be behave like Pontius Pilate. Talk say me then carry Araki go hand am for the people the way even know say the one kill it. Even go raise money during that particular time, go give for the people the way they want key General Araki. The one talk say me all man left behind me the hand Araki for the. If not only so to Mark Barata, I think they will go away. We imagine the thing the way be happen for our struggle. That way Paul Biya one can visit Boya. Now Mark Barata talk to me Ambazonia forces them me then run. Me all man no go for day. If no be saying me I can stand talk. Paul Biya can visit Ambazonia during this time for war. So when I see all the things them, even the time for Gozang where we been a crossfire. Mark Barata decide for she don't quiet but not for defend the truth. And when I imagine the impact we don't get for ADF because of his silence, he no take that responsibility as somebody we claim for talk for the revolution for stand talk. Even the thing for blackmail, how he blackmail Tiger One. Me and they be all we been a member of the Tigers Council. Even for the Tigers Council, he always fight for be monopoly for make sure say all information they come only for you now they go publish and all those type of things them. I not be care because I be there for them for help the fighter the way they be there for them. So we don't see the impact. We don't see Mark Barata a character when it comes for our struggle. This one no mean I say it no be get hard, it no be start up very well. But people then get right for analyze them so that our people they go feel know when it talk whether they go take them seriously or not. As soon as know now a popularly person we don't gather as much followers them as possible. Even when I be talk in the good days why I be talk for me for the talk about I ask now give you the kind of idea them about the struggle. It always come back for Mark Barata in name. Even that way me and Lucas Asu will want bring unity for the struggle. We call for the Canada initiative. We will bring Eric Tato and Mark Barata for inside. The cash you don't for they not put any single input. Mark Barata even come for the structure for the activism. Can talk say because now me and Lucas Asu, that way then discuss now me and Lucas Asu will be get that initiative for bring unity through the Canada initiative. It talks say it go better than it no go better day. So it exhibit a lot of childishness and unpatriotic, unrevolutionary spirit them when it comes for a position the way they take them for the struggle. when I see about the way we take about for delegitimize the APNC way be the struggle for take out Sako when they be say Sako they destroy this revolution. It delegitimize them. Talk say no, the cabinet no be vote am. Even when it be no, as it talk say get all information, say cabinet be pass vote for authorize the APNC meeting will be happen for America. Seseko be dede, Sako be dede, Sako vote, he lost the vote. They make propaganda. Mark Barata be part of the people then way then delegitimize them. Even when Seseko, they fire Seseko, they fire then fire Sako. Mark Barata deny for publish them. That way Seseko intervene for come out for fire Sako, and Chris Anu Mark Barata is denied for publish them. He not supposed to as a journalist, he not supposed to pick and choose waiting for present them. And he undermines Seseko. Now he one talk say, hey, me no man no begin criticize Seseko them. Forget for no say he be na the biggest person where he be stand they criticize Seseko despite the fact say Seseko be there for prison. Now even one of the video then this one see him. Now Mark Barata this is criticize Seseko.
Blame Ayub Ostabe that he sat in Nigeria in Zanga.
So now it is a blame Ayuk Tabi where Ayuk Tabi there for prison.
Nigeria in Zanga. Professor Ola was there. They could not advise him. They call this one government that was there. They could not advise him. He never listened. He formed a government without having the necessary means to protect and defend the government. Another few months he was abducted. And here we are. Shattered. There is no government. Hear me out. I said, I am apologizing to you. I am apologizing that we told you a lie.
So now Mark Barata that way be apologize for the deceit, the negative impact where the whole idea of a government it don't get for our struggle. It put the blame on Seseko Ayuk Tabi, where Seseko there for prison. So for you for the go around, they ask people, they say me then go talk me Kapo Daniel, they no criticize Seseko now. Just because they want try for twist things and bring in a negotiation where it no go fit help our independence. Would one ask and say all these type of things them now waiting. Mark Barata, stop the hypocrisy. Let us remain civil like gentlemen. If you want to debate us. Debate Lucas Ansu. Content by content. Don't insult people and then when they react, you go behind. You are crying and telling people to come and do this, come and do that. This morning time, we don't get a memo from the CIs, from the Dr. Chua by office. They try to reiterate our guidelines them to remind ourselves, say when we talk about our prisoners of war, maybe we talk them with a lot of respect for their personality. Them when I think that they do them all along. We know say na Mark Barata them, they don't go gather call the one, middle one, call the one. They even try to use even our prisoner them for try to get for we, but we talk say our right for criticize and hold leader them for account it be paramount, and we can never stop doing that. If we not be the do one for the time for Sako, we saw for date today. So we will continue for stand the defend freedom of speech. Before I want to go now for the video where it happened, I want to first talk about the whole debate where it happened. When I know say very well say Seseko it don't meet up La République du Cameroon, their secret service agent ECO forget a discussion with La République. I want to talk say during the time for Agbobala, time where Agbobala be sir, if you go sign deal with La République for come out of prison and for move some other people there for prison. No man no be the will be the criticize Agbobala too. But Agbobala no be the worker they call people they say me they endorse them. Endorse the one, endorse that one. Because we need to protect the integrity for our revolution. If the prisoner then the one do anything for come out, what are the one get their deal with La République? If their motivation are for come out, no problem, no day. But they no fit drag the whole struggle go time for the way it could destroy we. Would they see and say the way they go about this one, it be worse than the way they want for Agbobala be they go on. Now as every day they go, they get even more and more disturbing information the way they come, where they make them would wonder why the people the way they want struggle for begin make endorsement by endorsement for these 4 points them for this negotiation direct communication with La République du Cameroon rather than get some hidden agenda to destroy our struggle. Now we know very well say Agbobala, the Angote, all of them be involved. From the journalism where they try to propagate them for inside Europe, we don't get those information them for no say their hand them a day for day. Now information too it come say the same person will be meet up Seseko for inside prison for the Catholic mission their place for discuss on behalf of La République du Cameroon. Now the same person where he meet up Ebenezer Akwanga for Ghana, a call. So it raised legitimate issue them where it show say this ceasefire where they talk say me happen for inside Ambazonia. Now the same one where the HDB working with Akwanga, Ebenezer Akwanga and Sako they just shoot up for back. Would I even learn say both they don't even know where to where they go on. Would I even intercept their communication where they show how we Chris Anu it vex say La République du Cameroon be the give money for Akwanga where you know. We'll see how we Elvis Kumeta he to be the complaint. Say how money be the come even Chris Anu to be that receive your own money for inside for America day when that same man a go if he can't give the money. Would I even get picture for the Ambazonian person where he work for the Cameroon government their office where he carry now a picture that way die. Would I even get picture for the Cameroonian way he carry the so-called Anglophone person they carry the money for the Cameroon government when they will go deliver them for these people them. Now a legitimate issue for we for examine all these issue them and for also demand why are they why the people that work and insist me people they begin endorse these 4 points them. If Seseko Buando do it in for help prisoner and if prisoner for come out, if do it quietly. But the one way they push people that made they endorse this direct negotiation would want join our voice with Eugene Ufoka with the consortium for talking a very bad idea. La République du Cameroon they are not ready to negotiate. That negotiation process for they now a process where La République du Cameroon the one for try for dodge the international community. We already know very well say the Americans they push the United Nations for a better negotiation and what would fight not only for that but we know now say even the indication what they get from Homan Cohen it shows say this negotiation it go. We don't see say they don't begin gather the organization where they for Europe where they call on the organization for the responsibility to protect. It be led by Simon Adams. They don't lead a process where some former president they don't sign up, including now you get 170 something signatories them for United Nations member them. They recall say me the United Nations intervene for make sure say me La République du Cameroon and Ambazonia they should down for dialogue. The need for allow this international process me go. We no fit allow. We will never allow the domestication of our struggle. We will never allow a direct negotiation with La République du Cameroon. That is our position. And we go advocate for the position because now our right to defend the integrity for our revolution. This one no be attack, not just normal criticism, now our duty for do one for our country. So we must stand up for talk which we will believe them, and those people the way they feel say them be against or will be wrong, now their position now for can bring their own points them. But this idea, say me then stop with for criticize this idea, say me will allow them, me then go ahead for drag all we go time for this negotiation process it be wrong. Would I say that they even take fight at the now, they talk say me, the ground zero defense forces, then me then go endorse this process. And I also get information from some few ADF soldiers the way they participate for that force, that ground zero defense council. Say they don't talk say me then go endorse that talk. We don't talk say we no want any direct negotiation with La République. La République they carry on mission for our territory. Even that 4 points them. Dr. Cho Ayaba even as a matter of solidarity talk say Seseko them it be okay for Seseko them to do am. Even though as an institution the AGOVC and the ADF them be against that 4 points them, we never endorse that 4 points them. During the war council we reject that 4 points them. We don't talk say we must negotiate only when we get a guarantor. When our points in that and the points in that we believe say now the only way that we will get our independence and it be attainable. It be attainable. Even John Bakoro, it don't come against those 4 points them. Now because say it be reasonable for take that position. No be say John Bakoro they attack somebody. First of all, if you wanna ask amnesty, now already a sign say the solution we wanna expect them through that process, you know, get independence for day. Because amnesty go be guaranteed only by La République du Cameroon. You know if they ask amnesty for go back for a country where be independent. So those points them now a points them where they show say now a compromise system where you know be meant for our independence. And would they call on Seseko Ayoktabi for disengage or for not make me be an Ambazonian issue. If the one do am, then do am quietly. You know if they ask for amnesty for a country where you expect say the process go give you independence. Even the talk say me La République withdraw their troops and go down for their barracks. if them withdraw the army, that same army, we don't see instances, the army, say this army, the way they kill them for inside Bamenda Day, last time for up where our forces then kill them for Bamenda Day, they be been a beat them where they dress with police close them. So La Republique du Cameroon will not fit trust them. They fit talk say me then go back for barrack, left gendarme and police them, like how they discuss them. Those same army they go wear that police uniform, they come out aside. These are people where they no get no credibility at all. We reject the 4 points on principle. No be so they attack anybody. We talk say that one no be points and we go give you independence if the process go through those 4 points them. But at the same time, in solidarity with the pains of our prisoners, and we will talk say if Siseko wan go the way for Abobala, me he accept the consequences then we go along with that way, and me do way to way the one do am. But me people the way they want work with the people the way they want institute the Agbobala style deal, me they not begin use corny for bring up for our people then for deceive them. When I remember the time when I be talk for about this, the whole concept of ground zero defense forces. Say no be a thing for just bring forces them together, but they do want use them for politicize and for destabilize ground zero. When I start begin here, say they begin talk say me for ground zero defense forces, me every state them vote for their own general way go to represent them for time for negotiation. When I imagine the kind of infighting where that one fit cause them, I don't know what other people that they actually think or then deliberately they want to say me was soldier then kill each other. Because when you talk say me general then vote, choose one way it go represent them for negotiation. Then vote choose now one way it be popular. The one way now he do the hard job, he go feel discouraged, he no go begin fight, no be na so. Tomorrow, the one way he go the fight now fine. The other one way they now already voted, he go the try to suppress it because he go talk say na only man way the shine he need to go before. They create all the power bases then for the soldier then for make them feel fine. But at the end of the day, now the thing they said go they kill them. When I remember Hachata will go there will be big name say the government. When I remember Amigo will say no to all this manipulation. Will say no to all this manipulation. We don't also see, before I want to go for my last presentation, we don't also see the madman Eric Tato. He don't come out again with a rant for insult our commander-in-chief, Dr. Cho Ayaba. I put the picture for the madman before I address it. The madman Eric Tato. I think say can now release the best and most appropriate picture where they depict where this Eric Tato it be. So this madman Eric Tato, a man where he go for the extent for share a romantic picture them with his wife because he want get views them for social media. He come out the insult Dr. Cho Ayaba, they compare himself with Dr. Cho Ayaba, the lie say get forces them for ground zero. Eric Tato do not get any credibility. Now an idiot. Now the only person this will the struggle with it deserve insult. The man na a very stupid man. Eric Tato is a very stupid man. He is a deceiver, he is a liar. He is trying to present himself like he's somebody who is not. Every day he can't stand to make, let's say, no, he get content. But where he talk now only mop. There is no content in what he say, where he talk except nothing that will destroy our struggle. And I even try to listen to the small excerpt for a show for try to hear where the idiot they talk. Every day they talk about Bafanji Dam. There is actually nothing in Ambazonia called Bafanji Dam. You know, in Bamenjing, there is Bamenjing Dam, which is in La Republique. But every day they for social media, La Republique be done destroy Bafanji Dam, Bafanji hydroelectric dam. As a matter of fact, he doesn't even know these basic things. He don't even know these basic things them about Southern Cameroon. Then how would I expect somebody like this for even to talk on behalf of Southern Cameroon? He knows first no Bafanji Dam. There is nothing like Bafanji Dam in Ambazonia. There is actually Bamenjing Dam where then for around Buda area day. So Bafanji then have a dock. The only dam where they will use them for do hydroelectricity for inside Southern Cameroon. You know even then for the Savannah state, it then for the Atlantic state, it then for Yoke. Now for Yoke for Kona Moyoka, you know even know these basic things. Every day, they say since time immemorial. He even claim to speak good English, to speak British English. Every time he say, since this struggle start in time immemorial, he don't even know the meaning of time immemorial. Time immemorial means time where you know there for even our history. The olden days where people they know if you remember. That means that in times immemorial, Southern Cameroon did not be even the exist. But every day it want to say when this struggle be start in time immemorial. The man no get no sense na empty na ngong head. Na person when na the La Republic agent them like Eli Smith them prop it up. Mafani Musonga the way be work a beg money for them na they ram prop it up. Now man this way he come instigate the killing of General Mba Ivor. They come for target Dr. Chua Yaba for destroy Dr. Chua Yaba. Now we stand like the gatekeeper for block Dr. Chua Yaba like bodyguard them from this criminal where they call our women them as a prostitute. They ask me them cut use La Republic to Cameroon their agent them for cut the people they hand them. Today he don't wake up talk say he gave forces them for inside Bamenda. He gave forces them for outside. He no know nothing. It work they take small information like journalists they try to manipulate public opinion them. The last time our forces them the Red Lions of Alabukam they take action. You know even though say na ADF unit. They talk say na Ege soldier them Bamenda na Bede soldier them. They can attack for a Bede. Since that the why no talk say me they attack. He go carry some old images them. Say na for Akosong Raymond. Because you see Akosong Raymond na see new man where they see establish itself within the system of the egg of C. Can begin use and talk say get army them for inside Manfi or na for outside get army them. I get videos upon video where soldier they talk for me every day. But you know me say I'm a soldier them. You know me say I'm a soldier. He doesn't have any force. He's a scammer. Eric Tato is a scammer. He can lie about Alabukang. Now the same people the way they introduce Sako. Now the same people they defend Sako. Yeah, Mark Barata. Now them bring Sako irrespective of the fact that people they will die during this county by county government. He and Mark Barata every day na local government, na the people's government, all these type of things them. So Ambazonia and they need to be aware of this scammer. Say if target for this struggle against Ayabacho no be Ayabacho is sick, but na a target against the entire revolution. I wanna remember. Now it can be Mark Barata be published in number saying a number that way they give intelligence for La Republic. Now Mark Barata those not be seen, it not come from me. When I think about the impact for this struggle, now they move ADF for inside Manfi, for inside Moyoka, for inside Manu, now they move ADF for day. Now they open the door for people then like Wanja when an agent for La Republic who run know now how they see the work here Alex Ndive they make video there. Now they be bring chance for that people then for destroy ADF. Now then connive then demand me then kill General Ivor. Now then demoralize General Ivor the same way to way they want to do today for General Efang. Those are actions for La Republic against Ambazonia. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will take now for the final place where we will get for can do our presentation today. For tell una say the ADF finally would then go around our national territory for share the technology for make the bombs and where people they need them for defend ourselves. The time where the French government be supply La Republic to Cameroon with armor car, it be disturb our fighting against La Republic too much. We don't solve the problem. We don't bring experts and we don't put our head together for be able to create bombs them where if it destroy the armored car them. We don't see how those bombs then be tested. We don't see how we don't transfer the technology across Ambazonia free of charge because it will be a patriot with the fight now for the liberation of our country. I want to show now the video them for the testing of those bombs them and the testing of the trigger mechanism, the time where we don't get and ready for begin share the technology. I would call and appeal for all Ambazonian them. Me the help we as La Republic them bring in new armored car them for buy weapon them, for buy the component them for this bomb them, because now in the future this for our struggle, we will need now more of these bombs them. So now the video this for the test them, the test of these bombs, make a show I already clear the video from security. Now all video them where we show how we test this bomb them. Then if I'm be busy now the thing and this way we do them. First I show now the bomb before I show now the trigger mechanism. Now the video this for the trigger mechanism. I first show the trigger mechanism because the video be more accessible.
Go. Go.
So now the video then that way the time where they be test the trigger mechanism it work very well. When I don't see the same bomb the way they be use this trigger mechanism we'll get multiple trigger mechanism, over 4 different type of trigger mechanism them. I know we'll give details them because it's CB classified. You want the video on see during the testing of the bombs. The technology that already be shared around will be shown as we share them. Even if they kill all the people the way they bring the technology, the other fighter way they would already transfer them the technology. They already keep them fine. So the other video I will show now the video for the testing of the bomb itself. This one a mini bomb of that bombs them. When I see the testing.
I can get that so for general big number. A big number laboratory that.
So those are the testing of our bombs in Ground Zero. We have successfully built bomb with material them all from Ground Zero. Will be capable now for use bomb and neutralize La République du Cameroon, their armored car. They want a big success for Ambazonia. We will call on our people them for invest heavily, because going forward, Dr. Cho Ayaba Iran also agree, say we're going to invest now for these bombs them, so we get our struggle for the next phase. We don't use the bombs them even for urban area. We don't use them all. We don't be master on transporting this bomb. We don't get people the way they produce them for all the various states them, including non-ADF groups them. We don't do our patriotic duty. I will also want to make big announcement today for Giafona. Say the bomb, the first gun where Ambazonia they don't produce them homemade with homemade material them, suited and test them. We don't work very fine. At this one, I already see the video for that gun. Who saw the video there? Find that video. I did see them again. When I see the video for that gun, they don't give the name for that gun. The name for that gun, they don't name them after General Ivor. The name for that gun it could become Ivolin. So the new gun, sorry, I don't know if you see the video. The new gun would make them the name for that gun. It could be Ivolin. So ladies and gentlemen, we don't do our presentation for today. Now the main things in that I will get some 5 minutes for do my closing remark. If person want call my number, now my number that for the screen. When I call them now and when I talk, when I make una comment, when I ask una question, I will go further. So we want to insist, say the way for we to go forward in terms of our diplomacy. Now for continue for fight as we fight. For continue for buy the guns, for produce the guns, and for supply the guns. The first batch of the Ivolins them will go out very soon. So they ask for people that will donate money more so that we will get the components them. With the hope say one day we will show Ambazonia them one team of Ambazonia Defense Forces them where all them go carry the guns them, the Ivolins them completely for one team of Ivolins them. They shoot automatic weapon. It not be as fast as the AK-47. But we believe say the Ambazonian ingenuity behind the Ivolin, it will produce big result them. It use the whole magazine for the AK-47, but now a specialized weapon would make them homemade technology where it work very well. So all man will salute Ambazonia. Congratulations for the creation of Ivolin. So man call it Ivolin 47. Yes, now Ivolin. So the name they don't tell me today, they don't confirm the name after they don't contact. Plenty people them I know go tell the person way he last recommend they choose na own name way. So we'll get a caller on the line.
Yes,
yes, comrade, you are on the No Connie Talk show and you are live. Everybody can hear you. March fire.
Yes, on the No Connie Talk show. Yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Go ahead. Go talk to it. The talk will hear you. We need to hear you, eh?
I say my own small support for the evening. For giving you the place and to give you the credit for the good work we do for the Amazonian people. Only critics really come across. We know this will leave the differences of the other activities that may do on earth. We thank you plenty for the stuff of first we can't do one thing. Even the plenty they will plan to do, but you as we will be committed with the follow your program, with the same way, with the understand the level of our struggle, we will go on. So I just want to give you kudos for the good work we are doing. and for the moving the way it comes out to our service. And I did every single Amazonian to do. Any Friday day. When the new project, it doesn't come on, and it don't take the parents and sisters. When they go on air now, they listen to the they will get to stand behind now. We will not get that capacity. We will get that courage to stand showing the faith and especially in the faith for them and the people. We only sacrifice and the only must be deep consumption for the good way we will do. So telling that Barata, I don't see that you do the way I'm supposed to do. To believe the police told the that you the only person who is permitted to be structured. That insight in every day, they will realize themselves, they will come back themselves. And by the time they want to come back, we will not only move down step ahead. They will just tell you, say, you will not realize, don't blame it. Don't blame it. Stay away. This is the narrative we will do together with you. Thank you very much for your own contribution.
Confirm. God bless you, my brother, and bye-bye. Thank you very much. So we thank that our brother. Yes, I don't always stay above the fray, even though as I be very bold and I be very strong in my criticism, sometimes some people they take and like the attack because say for our culture would not be assimilated, people will not be used to the fact, say people that they criticize leader them. So it be very difficult. I remember the first time I started criticize Sako, people they be taken they be taken for their heart, they be overtouch them. Even till today, when we want criticize leader, they win a big figure them. Some people they feel very uncomfortable, but not the right thing to do. When I see say across the world, any leader way, any country where they succeed, where they hold their leader them for account, those country them now people the way. Another caller they for line. Hello.
Yes, hello, comrade.
Yeah, you are live on the No Connie Talk Show. Match fire. Just go ahead, talk. All man, hear you.
Yeah, I'll be very grateful for the great job we do. We Gov City do. I'm very thankful for the up and for the hard work we all man, including our brave fighters for Ground Zero. When I don't see this great thing we do, and so let me at the big challenge. I wonder why they will still be manipulated by people. When they talk about a person who don't know anything, but this fighters them, like they engineer the way they take for granted for be creative up to this level, for be engineer for this level. But people never get through. We do not know anything. They don't know 1 + 1. But they still, these fighters, the great engineer, they still they allow themselves. They don't even know say they be greater than these guys them for diaspora where they fool them. When I see this great technology where these guys they do, I be just being very challenged. I be just make myself say I still been at a sleepers level.
My brother,
so I just tell you, assuming I continue with that education, you absolutely, Vela, I really enjoy because this thing, if you go for Ground Zero now, the minds of that fighter, it is open, and I be very grateful because they all the non-start for open their eyes, they understand things where they go on. Yes, so maybe I continue with that great work. It is very important for this time around. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, caller. Yeah. God bless you.
Yeah.
So that caller is talking na true. Ivolin, would they want to introduce Ivolin 47? I will go tell me the other number 47 because the one magazine they carry na 47 bullet. So Ivolin 47, he been named after General Mba Ivor, the designer where he design them. He don't take plenty name them. He don't choose the Ivolin. I will tell them me the at 47 for them me be now Ivolin 47. So I hope na say within the next coming by the end of this year we will get a whole unit where the all man go carry na Ivolin 47. They don't test them, it work very well. They don't master them, design and draw them for people. They said I say this guy they na good engineer them. If you see what the guy they do them, you go shock. Everything they own not only for paper, it they set for computer. Where even if that unit lost the technology and other people that pick up from places they don't level, it go. And at the benefit that for structure like the ADF, because now a well professional structure will be designed for help our country go for the next level. So we want to congratulate the ADF and all the Ambazonian because now a victory for Ambazonia. So then create Ivolin 47. The gun it work very well. It not be as fast as AK-47 because AK-47 they shoot I think a 600 bullet in theory within 1 minute, but at least the Ivolin the trigger mechanism it work very well, and we not give you the details about how fast it shoot, but we know say a very good mechanism. The bomb the way they done already test them, it already go around. You get 4 different types them. We don't already use them. We don't spread the technology, and we announce them today because La Republic no fit stop them already. It already be proliferated 100%. Oh yeah, why not Ivo Age? Our mother is calling, our sweet mother, Mama Wali is on the line. Welcome to the No Connish Talk Show. Mama Wali, over to you. Mash fire.
Yeah, thank you so much, Capo Daniel, for the education where you get for people them. This teaching them for ground, I like the way you educate them, because you know the grown research they don't ever teach me. So they do they teach me na pen to the right. So now when we don't be able to tell you like these people they over provoking. Make this teaching them for ground. We be very respectful. We Ambazonians them. So when man be used to come out abroad, they just say when you talk, that means in a white man they talk.
Exactly.
They make them know say now so that they get the yam and the knife. You know when the diaspora need call and give a position or place when at their
exactly.
Their own ground zero. When no man no call you tell you say now you go be governor, now you go be this year. Now they decide to deploy the land with their blood. Exactly. In case when we don't free, now them will be the people the one who go to talk say allegiance to our heroes.
Exactly.
How you go take for ground you sacrifice your blood so one day for diaspora. The sleeping woman as you like, the sleeping man as you like. You can't tell you for ground one way you don't see people ground zero. When you don't see people see that way you want to they tell you thing to do. They encourage you to go kill your own backup. No, they don't worry. We land be extremely rich. We get everything when we need them for the country.
Exactly.
We're not supposed to be fake. After we don't free, all them, as they say, all man is place day.
All man is place day.
All man is place day. Make them no fear and make them no say even if we negotiate or we go for dialogue, after that they go still hold their weapon for defend wealth for country. If they don't tire other people, then now they go be trained to carry those weapons for defend the country. No be say they go fight, monkey go walk, baboon can chop.
Exactly.
Don't continue for the put this knowledge for the head. Oh, no one will not position. When some frustrated idiot go down for there, they tell them say go kill your own backup. You the come on go kill him. When fire the hot for your skin tomorrow, the man go there for diaspora until a woman. So one day until they man them. They no go the camp for them for come move fire away the burn for your skin. So they give for understand. Now they get the knife and the fork for do how they get for do. Me no man they call them for diaspora they call them. Tell me they do this for that. Now just the constitution this one right here. And I want to tell you stay stay strong. We don't pass the position when white party we some the one not place how we stay the abolish. So because for that time people they get for the day. Not the first time when they declare to you that way for the United Nations to stand against them. Blood and my soul is not something. They come on the attack you. After that, all we will either open with him. We don't pass to one man who don't tell me. Only one way he don't tell me. And to 20 people that are like Ambazonians. Not to do this yet. That you will work. Because if you leave and one man won't tell me, I hope people go down. Because you know to the man to go for what tell me, you don't talk. Anything when you talk to people as a general, then not to go for what they do. You still stop the work with or share they don't call you again. They need to call them to keep the food for the day. When you ask that question to see the food for the day, they strong, they are left 24/7. The boys they
Thank you so much, Mama Wali. Thank you so much. God bless you. And we just appreciate Mama Wali. She's a wonder. She's an inspiration. Now the people in this way they run attack with for ADF. And when I see most of the people of ADF now the same hard way they get them, volunteer them, people the way they run mean them, say go up, calm down, our country will be free. They no go fish down, get their good life them. Now Mama Wali is a very rich lady personally. Would see wealth, would see house, but he don't decide to stand take risk because a risky thing to fight against an occupation force for make sure so our country be free and it can be attracted as ADF family. Now those people the way they don't come together, volunteer the way they don't mean and say enough is enough. So one caller be the call. I think that one person will always be a very strong supporter of mine as well. I know go call his name. Now a fighter from Ground Zero the call from man not give you location. Hello, General.
Hello.
You didn't have the call on live, so are they on the show? I hope say you know you can't have participate for show. Otherwise, I will call you later. You did live for Facebook.
Okay. I will call now for participate for the show.
Go ahead, General.
St. Michael from Yellum.
Yeah, now St. Michael for Yellum. Any man way you know for the great state of Bui. Go ahead. Match fire.
So I salute all my way there. What I say.
We salute you, General. Your place day.
Thank you.
You want to would they find how the situation is there for the state for Bui, how for all our soldiers there for day?
No, also the day fine. So we get problem now. The one way I give the attack, but now this time around the people now.
What about that roadway? What about that roadway? It is so good to be blocked and so we people they need to come up for Kumbu go up. People they need to come out, they come down. They don't up now.
They don't see the block. They don't see the block. But the coffin where they put them for the road, where they put them inside, they don't fire destroy the coffin.
So they will put bomb inside a coffin.
They will put bomb inside the coffin, but the bomb don't fire now destroy the coffin.
Where? So we feel them put a medicine for inside a coffin where they put a bomb for day.
Bomb the inside.
They still work attack people then for around town. They find people the way they for inside ADF or they don't stop for becoming attack now. Talk me people then here.
No, they still fight. They still fight because today evening they pass away place. The second commander where they follow you.
So the USA La Republique the attack from BMA. The people then they need the USA attack them from BMA. They see what attack now instead of people them.
They want to attack now. We know when attack come over, we know they will people because when one commander even them to follow you.
Well, Master, would you go talk to me all early them for inside Bui me then come out the talk. We call Yerima me talk. We call Honorable Weber. Now people in that way they don't make Ambazonia be proud for Bui. Bui are the biggest kingdom for inside Ambazonia in terms of population. Now people they don't always make me proud for the water project, water tank. You know water tank for the now project in that way it don't make Ambazonia them be proud. Today we see how the people they work a fight now only on a kill them instead of fight like the Republic. It bring disgrace for some people them all across the world. Wait till we get about talk about some people, they me them begin call their picking for village begin talk. Me them call all man, me all compound then call their picking, me them come up for that Bui warrior them. If they always want continue now for picking worker attack only Bui people them. Talk General, me all man hear you. Send messages for all Bui, all sort people that me them hear. I think General it don't drop. When I don't say line, it not be strong for day. So you know, even for me General did appear live. I don't know like Republic their technology there, but it did high day water will appreciate the fact that General don't take time for call. At least when I ran hear from the horses their own mouth. Now the people in that way they defend our country with their blood. Now the people in that way Ambazonia they get voice for talk today because of them, and then be under attack from inside attack. We hope see the people that will Bui warrior they go stop those things them. Me then come to their senses then see say they be done deceive them. Will fight now against La Republique and all we will know. So if no man, call again now. So one person we do if one call, we really want me call, but no problem. We will close the show. And we want to congratulate Ambazonia for the Ivoline 47, the new weapon where they don't get them and the bombs them and the trigger mechanism that they work. We call for people that will invest so that by this time next year we go and get one complete unit where all the go carry na Ivoline 47. The weapon they be excellent. They shoot multiple shots. We don't see the video then will not share them because they carry sensitive information about the weapon then. Their capacity then be strong. Yesterday they also used this they call the one an elephant bullet. They use this elephant bullet them with their own way they modify them. The elephant bullet then work for the excellent. So we did strong. May God bless una for helpless una day. Make our struggle, our revolution for our independence be short. May freedom in Ambazonia be forevermore. God bless you. Ciao.